Our team developed the automated signature system, a precision system that replicates exact signatures on paper using servos. We also designed a user-friendly program that lets users draw anything, and the machine flawlessly prints it onto paper. Our automated signature system replicates exact signatures and drawings on paper using servos. Users sketch in a designated area and the system converts their inputs into thousands of coordinate points. With the process of inverse schematics, these points are processed into scripts that guide Arduino-controlled servos, adjusting pen angles and positions to reproduce the drawing with precision.
I can't wait for a 3 seconds. I see it. I see it a little.
I never thought it would be like that.
Oh, it's my
Okay, I
name.
did it.
It is your name. Wow.
It's like a, oh.
It's like an Egyptian hieroglyphic.